Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I am going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy and the topic name is Partnership Final Accounts. Chalo, in accounts reading the problem and understanding the problem is important. So let's read the problem first. Sun and Moon are the partners in partnership firm sharing profit and loss equally. See, they are sharing profit and loss equally. So you'll write, this is important for us. You are required to give effects of adjustment with the help of following adjustments. Trial balance as on 31st March 2019. Land and building, asset, furniture asset, machinery asset, goodwill asset, wages, trading account, capital and current account. Both is that the capital will directly go into the balance sheet and will open a current account. Creditors, balance sheet, bank overdraft, balance sheet. Reserve, again an liability. Provident fund, again and liability. Both the items will go in balance sheet. Wages, current account, Moon. See, one person is having a debit balance, other person is having a credit balance. Debenture purchase on 1st October. It's an investment you have done in some other countries. Company, it's 8,000. Provident fund investment, again an asset. Stock of postal stamp. Stock of postal stamp, this is a stamp which is there in the stock. So you'll write in asset side. Partners are entitled to the salary of 6,000 per annum. PA is matlab per annum. So once in a year they are getting a salary which is 6,000 addition to their profit sharing ratio. Depreciate land and building, furniture and machinery at 10%, 3% respectively. I have done the adjustment. Interest on capital 5%. Closing stock 60,743. Wages include 1,000 given as an advance to the worker. Interest due but not paid is 800 and total net profit amounted to rupees 38,113. Okay. Prepare partners current account and balance sheet. See, in this problem they are only demanding two things, that is partners capital account and balance sheet. Last problem we did, they had asked only profit and loss account and balance sheet. We did that. This time only partners current account. So we are going to do only this effect in partners current account and balance sheet. Chalo, let's start doing the posting of accounts first. Yes. So land and building. Yes, all three assets, land and building 40,000, furniture 18,000, machinery 40,000, all are having an adjustment. So you'll write here land and yes, land and building 40,000. Furniture 18,000 and machinery. $40,000. Okay. Chalo, we have done the three adjustment. All okay. Good. Purchase on 1st July. I told you when something like this is there, you have to be careful when you're doing a adjustment. Goodwill 2,000. So and current account we'll see later on. Debentures 8% debentures 8,000. So both are an investment. So we'll write here. Yes. Goodwill. No adjustment. So directly in a outer column 2,000. Then you have 8% debenture. Yes, 8% debenture is 8,000. Again, students, see percentage is given, so you have to be careful about it. Wages will not go. Current account of Moon. So Moon as a current account is having on the debit side. So for Moon, you're going to write here to balance brought down. Yes, to balance brought down, Moon is having 4,000. Okay, students. We are just doing the posting. From so many problems are doing posting only. Investment, provident fund investment is an asset. Postal stock is an asset. So all these items will come in your balance sheet. Yes, so you had a provident fund investment. Provident fund investment. Okay, well, how much was the provident fund investment? It was 3,500. And you had stock of postal stamp. Okay, you had a stock of postal stamp which was 500. Okay, students, so this is over. Your debit side, all the transaction we have done it. Okay, now we'll come to the credit side. Let's start the credit side. Capital account will directly go in balance sheet. Current account will go in partners current account. Creditors, bank overdrafts, provident fund, all will go in liability side in balance sheet. Okay, students, as this balance sheet is open, we'll do it. Yes, current account, capital account had a balance of 33,500. 33,500. So the total of both is 67,000. Okay, students, and then you had creditors, no adjustment, so directly in a outer column 25,000. Then bank overdraft, bank OD, yes, bank overdraft, again no adjustment, directly outer column 10,000. Then you had reserve fund, no adjustment, directly outer column 5,000. Then you have provident fund. You know what is the meaning of provident fund, students? Yes, provident fund is a fund which is given to every employee on his retirement. It is the money which is given for employing for working it for so many years in the company. Okay, students? Chalo, we have done all the entries. 25,500, only 6,000 capital current account is remaining. So, Sun is having a credit balance. So, you'll write here by balance brought down. Yes, Sun balance is 6,000. Okay, students, chalo. So, by this, we have completed the posting of your trial balance. Now, let's go downwards and read the adjustment. The first is partners are entitled to the salary of rupees 6,000 per annum. मतलब पार्टनर्स को प्रॉफिट की जगह पे सैलरी भी मिल रहा है. They are getting profit also, they are getting a salary also. Again, for us, salary is an expenses. So we will write in profit and loss account credit side. Debit side, we are going to write profit and loss account debit side, and for the partners it is a income. So it will come in credit side. So both are getting 6,000 per annum. Per annum matlab per year. Okay, so we are doing only one entry because we are not making profit and loss. Land and building, for furniture and machinery at rate of 10, 5 and 3. So land and building is 10%, furniture is 5% and machinery is 3%. And we have seen that in somewhere there some dates were written. So dates were written for machinery account. So let's furniture and land and building will do the depreciation of furniture and land and building. Chalo. So land and building is 10% less depreciation. Okay, students, let's see. Yes, depreciation 10%. I have already told you, remove 1 0, so 40 ka 10% is 4,000. That comes here as 36,000. Furniture is also having a depreciation. So furniture is having a depreciation of 10%, is 5%. So 18,000 ka 5%. So 18,000 multiply by 5. It is how much? 900. So here it is 900. So you're minusing that, then comes to 17,100. Here also you're having a depreciation 3%, but there is something which is there in the problem. Now see what was there in the problem. The problem is saying you that this machinery was purchased on 1st July. This 40,000 machinery was purchased on 1st July. So you have purchased in July, so you'll start the depreciation from July. So how many months? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So depreciation will come for how many months? 9 months. For how many months? 9 months. And it is 3%. So what you will do? Yes, 40,000 into 3%. It comes to 1,200. So 1,200 divide by 12. Multiply by 9 because it is for 9 months. So your depreciation is coming here as 900. Getting it, students? You're not removed for whole year. You will be removing only for 9 months. Now second effect will not come. Why? Because we have not made profit and loss account. Okay, chalo. Next adjustment. Interest on capital is 5% per annum. So interest on capital, again, see capital is 33,500. So on that you will be having interest on capital. Again, interest on capital is income for a partner but expense for the company. So it will come in partner's capital credit side and profit and loss account debit side. So interest on capital. Yes, it is how much? 5%. So your capital is 33,500 into 5%. It is coming to 1675. So here you will be having 1675. Both the partners are having a same capital, so it will be same. Second effect will not come because we have not made profit and loss. Closing stock. Closing stock will directly go in balance sheet, as again there is no trading accounts, only one effect, closing stock. And what was the amount of closing stock? Yes, 60,743. Okay, students. So it was 60,740. Wages include 1,000 in advance. See, advance, you give advance. So advance comes in asset side. Am I correct? You're going to minus it from trading account in wages, and second effect will come here. So advance wages. Outstanding comes in the liability side and advance comes on the asset side. Okay, students. Chalo, next. Interest due but not paid. Interest due matlab it is due but you have not paid it. That means it is an outstanding interest. So it will come here as an outstanding interest. Yes, how much is the outstanding interest? Interest due but not pay is 800. Chalo. Then net profit is 38,113. This profit is directly divided between both the partners. Am I correct? Because we are not doing anything. It's directly given to you. Profit belongs to both the partners. So it is by profit and loss account. Okay. What is the profit? What is the profit? 38,113. Okay. So it's in equally, so 38,000 profit sharing ratio is equally, we have done seeing in the first sentence only that yes, after dividing you're getting the figure 19,056 rupees 50 paisa. So what we'll do, we'll round it up, we'll give 1 rupee to one person more and 1 rupee less to the another person. So for this person we'll do 19,057 and for this person we'll go 19,056. Second effect is already not going to come because we have not made profit and loss account. This is over. Now let's see, once we go to the trial balance, see whether there is some other hidden adjustment. This is a hidden adjustment taken. See here there is something, 9% debenture purchase on. When have you purchased December? In 1st October. Now see, you have purchased a debenture on 1st October and debentures give you fixed rate of interest. Yes. So October, November, December, January, February, March. So 6 month interest is due, which is receivable from the company, and it is 8%, matlab 8%. So it is 8,000. Yes, so it will be 8,000 into 8%. Okay, some mistake here. 8,000 into 8 percentage, it comes to 640. So the whole year interest is 640 and it is 6 months means divided by 2. So you get interest how much? 640 divided by 2. So interest comes to 320. Okay, now what are the two effects of this? One effect will come in profit and loss account credit side, income receivable, and the second effect will come in the balance sheet asset side because it is receivable. You will receive the interest. So you will write here interest receivable. Interest receivable. Are you getting me, bachcho? So interest receivable. So interest receivable is 320. And then there is anything else is there in this? Let's see once. See the preview of it and we can decide it. We had taken care of this part. We had taken care of this part and no other hidden adjustment. We have done salary ka, we have done depreciation, we have done interest on capital closing stock, wages also we done, interest due but not paid. Okay. So everything is over now. So what is left down? The left down is your balancing part. So सबसे first we are going to remove the balance of current account. Okay, now start doing the balancing of current account. So what is the total of here? I think both the side I can see my credit side is bigger. So it is 6,000 plus 1,675 plus 19,056. So it is coming to 26,731. 26,731. So here also you are going to have the same total 26,731. And here you are having a minus figure. So minus 4,000. So answer is 22,731. So 22,731. 731. Again the totaling 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,675 plus 19,057. So it is coming to 32,732. So 32,732. So here also you are going to have 32,732. We have written it correctly now. 32,732. So here nothing minusing, that means 32,732, and this will go in balance sheet. So to balance carried down. Okay, students. So let's write in the balance sheet. I've already made a current account. I kept it here. 32,732. Other is having 19,000. Sorry, 2,731. Now you're going to do the totaling of this. 1,732 plus 2,2,731. So it is coming to 55463. So it is coming to 55463. Okay, students. Now we will be doing a totaling. Okay, now totaling, as you know, balance sheet should tally. If the balance sheet tally, that means everything is correct. Okay, now let's start doing the totaling. I think 16,000 was a plus 67,000 plus 25,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 and plus 800. The total is coming to 1,68,263. So it is 1,68,263, and this should also come that much only. Do you have any other item about this? Yes. Anything more about this? No. So your amount of totaling is starting from 36,000. Okay. Chalo. $36,000 plus 17,100 plus 39,100 plus 2,000 plus 8,000 plus 3,500 plus 500 plus 60,743 plus 1,000 plus 320. Am I correct? So your total is coming to 1,68,000. What is your total coming? 1,68,263. So 1,68,263. So this is your total, and your balance sheet is getting tallied. Okay, students. So by this way, I have completed the question number 9 also. Now remember, students, in examination you have to solve only the thing which is asked from the board. Okay, chalo, have a good day. Enjoyed, and thank you.